Are you searching for a full-frame mirrorless camera that balances advanced features with real-world versatility? The Nikon Z5 II with the NIKKOR Z 24 to 50mm lens kit might be exactly what you need. This camera promises to deliver sharp, high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions, making it a strong contender for enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the heart of the Z5 II is a 24.5-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor. This sensor design enhances light gathering, which really shines when shooting in low-light environments. Complementing this is Nikon's excellent autofocus system, including eye and animal detection, designed to keep your subjects crisp and in focus whether you're capturing wildlife or portraits. One standout feature is the in-body 5-axis vibration reduction stabilization, offering up to 7.5 stops of shake reduction. This means you can shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds without sacrificing image sharpness. The bundled 24 to 50mm lens is compact and lightweight, ideal for everyday shooting and travel without weighing you down. Nikon also includes their in-camera imaging recipes, allowing photographers to apply creative looks and styles directly within the camera, streamlining post-processing. Customer feedback highlights the camera's solid build, intuitive controls, and impressive image quality, especially for its price point. Though some mention that the 24 to 50mm lens might feel limited for those wanting more reach or wider apertures, many appreciate its portability and versatility as a starter lens. In summary, the Nikon Z5 II offers a compelling package for photographers looking to step into full-frame mirrorless with solid autofocus, strong low-light performance, and effective stabilization. Its balance of features and value makes it worth considering if you want a reliable camera for a range of shooting scenarios. This product may be on special on Amazon right now, so check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or take a closer look.